This is basil. Can I cut this? And you can see basil looks like a little flower will pop out. No. I like it. By the way, that basil is yum. We have 5 garlics. I'm cleaning the garlic. And you just get your fingers in there and squeeze it. And we have 4 garlics. What are the ingredients for pesto? Basil, walnuts, garlic, cheese, and olive oil. Not an ingredient, but you especially need a food processor. Good garlic. 1, 2. Now we're gonna put our garlic in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cheese. Open this. Pour a tiny bit in. Now I'm going to taste it and see if it tastes good. More? More. Give me more. Okay. So now we are scooping it into our containers. And then, voila! You open it, and you scoop it and put it on